Hi there, welcome to the ERSFEC training series. My name is Noah, and I'll be guiding you through these videos. This is Fast Start video number 1, Getting Started. In this video, we're going to input our basic company information and set our basic settings. When you first signed up, you should have received a URL to go to log into the ERS system, along with a username and password. That URL is always formatted in the following way: yourfoldername.ourers.com/cp. And logging in at this URL is how you work in the back end of the ERS system. So go ahead and open your web browser. We recommend Google Chrome, and enter in your login credentials here. When you first sign in, you'll be prompted to read and agree to our end-user license agreement. Once you've done that, you'll be redirected to this screen. We call this the home screen. On this page, we have some useful at-a-glance information, such as an event calendar, a list of employee tasks, some at-a-glance sales reports, a list of recent updates, and some account information. Now before we get too far, let's go ahead and update our username and password. We're going to do that at admin, general config, users. Let's go ahead and click into our user profile, and let's go ahead and update the basic information. Specifying a mobile carrier for the user allows you to send text messages to your employees through the ERS system. So now that I've gotten my basic information and my password updated, I'm going to click Submit. So now it's time to input our basic company information with the Setup Wizard. We're going to do that by clicking again on Admin, and let's click here to start the Setup Wizard. These first two screens are mostly pretty self-explanatory. Once again, this is fairly self-explanatory. Earliest party time is the earliest time you want people to be able to schedule a party, and latest time is the latest time. We strongly recommend you do require an email upon online checkout. The ERS system will automatically email a receipt to your customer upon checkout. So again, we do encourage you to require an email for online checkout. And the default tax rate is whatever sales tax rate you pay by default. You can mark individual items as tax exempt or to be charged tax at a different rate, and we'll cover that later in the items video. The receipt email field should be auto-filled from your data entry earlier. You can start invoice numbers wherever you want. We like to start it at 1,000 because it gives our customers a little bit better of an impression of us, like we've been in business for a while. Text messaging phone numbers should be auto-filled from when we updated our user profile earlier. But if not, you can add that here. And again, make sure to specify a mobile carrier so the system can send you text messages. If you do any updates to either this field or this field, make sure to click Save. And that's it for the Setup Wizard. Now this is what we call the Inventory Wizard. It's an easy way to quickly add categories and items to your inventory. And we'll cover that in a subsequent tutorial, but first let's go ahead and update our company logo. We're going to do that by going to Website, General Images. Now before we do anything in here, it's very important that you do not change the names of the pictures in here. The system uses the names of those pictures for various functions in the system, so if you change the names of the pictures, the system can't do its functions properly. Let's go ahead and click on Logo, and you can browse from the pictures that are already in here, or upload one from your computer. Once you've chosen a logo image, go ahead and click Submit. And we can see that the system updated the picture up here as well. When we're logged into the back end of the system, we can click on this picture here, and it will open up a copy of the live website. This can be useful for monitoring our edits as we make them. While we're in here, we can go ahead and edit our website logo and our receipt logo as well. The website logo populates to the header of our website, and the receipt logo populates to the email your customers receive when they check out. Let's also go ahead and update our custom favicon. The favicon is the little image next to the HTML title in your browser tab. By default, the ERS system puts the ERS logo as the favicon for the website. So if you'd like to keep your branding more consistent, go ahead and click into Custom Favicon and choose an image. Once we've submitted that change, we can go back to our live website and click Refresh, and we can see that now the favicon is updated. Alright, that's going to do it for this tutorial. The next series of videos is going to be about ordering and setting up your hardware. It can take up to a week for your hardware to arrive once you've ordered it, so we recommend watching those videos next so you can go ahead and place your order and work on setting up your inventory, documents, and other tasks in the ERS system while you're waiting for your hardware to arrive. Anytime you have questions about this or any other aspect of using the ERS system, you can click on Help and enter the knowledge base to do a keyword search. You can also reach out to the Tech Support Department at 505-435-9731, extension 102, or support@eventrentalsystems.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.